Carrie Severino joins us right now, the Judicial Crisis Network president, a former clerk for Justice Clarence Thomas. Carrie, always great to have you. I guess it's the old hurry up and wait. This is the big decision, not that the Second Amendment one and for the boon for gun owners wasn't significant, but this is the one they're waiting for. Is there a strategy to how these decisions are released?
Yeah, any other term, this would have been the big decision day, but you're right. The biggest ones normally come at the very end of the term. And a lot of that has to do with just the fact that it takes a long time to hammer out the details, and they pay a lot more attention when it's a big decision. So the majority opinion, like the draft we saw leaked in the Dobbs opinion, would have been circulated months ago, and we know it was. But then the people who were going to join it would have comments they might want to make to the author. Those would have to be incorporated. The dissents would be written, and they might want to respond to arguments made in the dissent. Then the dissent's going to come back and respond to arguments made in response to their arguments. So you could do that recursively, just ad infinitum. It's really only the end of the term that forces them to stop and say, you know what? You're done. You can't keep making more arguments. Get this opinion out. And we think they have to be doing that right now because either tomorrow or Monday, those are the only days on the calendar now for opinions being released. They could maybe extend it a few days next week, but we'll probably hear by the end of next week.
And you know the justices far better than I, certainly Clarence Thomas far better than I, and I'm wondering, given these demonstrations outside the justices' homes and even the light threat on Justice Kavanaugh, does that factor into their thinking that, oh gosh, we make this decision, it's going to be all hell breaking out loose in my neighborhood?
Well, unfortunately, all hell's breaking loose already, and that's one of the reasons I think they would have been wise to just hand it down really quickly right away. This has allowed the left more time to organize. I mean, they've planned out 8 p.m. the night of the decision. They want physical protests, and this is coming from the same group that's firebombing abortion clinic or pro-life clinics, by the way. So they mean business, and I think allowing that extra time, we've only seen the protests build and get more and more vulgar and threatening. So I think, unfortunately, at this point, today, tomorrow, the next day, it's going to be obviously a lot of violence that these people are threatening. I hope the federal government is up for continuing to protect our justices, protecting the court, and but I think the only way to get past that is to have the decision out and have people recognize these, death threats and things against the justices. That isn't going to change the outcome. And once the decision's out and is finalized, that's the only time that this is going to start to cool down.
You know what's weird about the protest, Carrie, is they're technically illegal, so the Attorney General could make them stop, but he has not done that as we look at some of the states that might ban abortion if they get this decision that reverses at least part of Roe v. Wade. Having said that, though, there's another argument for continuing protests because the technical language in the law on this issue is that you can't be protesting outside a justice's home in the hope of influencing a decision. I'm probably oversimplifying it. If the decision's been already made, are all bets off?
Well, if the decisions are made, you're right. The federal law saying we can't intimidate judges to try to influence the decision is not in application anymore. But in many places, like, several of the justices live in Virginia, and I think Maryland may have similar laws where you're not allowed to protest at judges' homes anyway. So there are other laws, obviously, on top of potential noise ordinances blocking the streets, and hopefully we wouldn't have anything further that violates just basic criminal law like this attempted assassination on Justice Kavanaugh.
All right. I hope you're right on all of the above. Carrie, thank you very much. Carrie Severino on this.